Well, hello everyone. It is Saturday night, the night before Easter, so happy Easter everyone. And this is a 2-week update. My apologies. I had a couple of people send in their pictures of their temperature blankets to share last week, and I did not get a video made. So ladies, my apologies to you. We are going to share them this week. But I will tell you, it's worth the wait. It is worth the wait. So we get a 2-week update on my blanket, and we get to see 2 very pretty temperature blankets. So first, we have Brenda from Southwest Pennsylvania. She is doing hers in a corner-to-corner moss stitch. And she's using Hersher's worsted specky yarn. She says they've had a mild winter so far, and her blanket is through March 25th, and she's very pleased with how it looks like watercolor. And it's very pretty, so nice job, Brenda. And then we have Adrienne, and she's shared with us before. She is doing Tiffany Hanson's crochet along for the temperature blanket, where they use a different stitch each month and they only do so many days out of the week. Hers is through the 30th of March. January, they use the crunch stitch. February, the slanted bead stitch. And March, a fan stitch. Now, when she gets to April, it will be the linen stitch. And Adrienne is in the British Columbia, Canada. And hers is turning out beautiful as well. So thank you, ladies, for sharing with us. And we hope you share with us again so we can see how it grows. And anybody else who is interested in sharing their temperature blankets with us, I will pop my email in somewhere in here. And you just shoot me an email with a picture of your progress so far. Give us a little information like what state you're in, what country you're in, something like that. And, you know, maybe what stitch you're doing and what type of yarn you're using. But, you know, give us a little background on it. And I'm more than happy to share, and everybody loves seeing them. So now we have my blanket, 2 weeks worth, and mine is birth year versus current year. And so we had some interesting things go on. We had the month change in the middle of the 14-day period, and on one of the years we got to add another new color. Woohoo! So let's start with the birth year. And this is weeks 13 and week 14. So we have 3 full months, and we're into our 4th month already. Imagine that. So we started off from March 26th through the 31st. We started off with 80 degrees and dropped down to the mid 60s by the end of the week. So that is the 80 degrees was the a row of curry, and then we dropped down to sunflower, and then we dropped again, or excuse me, we started off with curry. We went to egg yolk, we dropped down to sunflower, and then we dropped down again to hunter green for 2 days. And then we have our row for our divider for the month. And then we started back with a warming trend. We jumped to egg yolk and curry and cognac, and then a day of curry. So we had 14 days from here. This is all of March. And at the very end of March, in my birth year, we had a few cool days. But this is starting to look like how the current year has been almost the entire year. It's too warm for me. I had to pull out the hair because I really desperately need a haircut. It's been ages and I can't take it anymore. It's getting way too long. So, current year, we started off in the mid to high 80s, and we stayed that way for the whole rest of March. And then we had our divider row, and we get into April and we stay that way. And then we hit the 90-degree mark already on the 5th of April, 6th of April, 90 degrees. And I only have one more color left after this new color that was just added. And I'm almost wondering if I shouldn't get another one for if we top the 100-degree mark, because I really did not expect to get there this soon. So, still attached. So let's see. We started off with, let me count back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we started this 2 weeks with this row of cognac, and we went into curry, and then we ended this week with more cognac, 2 days worth. Then we have our month divider row. We stayed in cognac. We warmed up to some curry for 2 days. Then there's our 90-degree days. Right here, 2 rows of rust. And then the last 2 days of the week, including today, I had to wait till it get today's high, we are back in cognac. Yeah, today's high. Today is Saturday. So we went from, over a 2-week period, we started with 86 degrees and we ended with 85 degrees, and we hit highs of 90 throughout the 2 weeks. So it's been pretty toasty. We got to pack away the jeans and pull out the shorts and get the clips out so we can get the hair off our neck. And yeah, it's just been hot, to say the least. Very, very hot. Other than that, we finished off one Grafgan. I have started on another Grafgan. I got a couple of other projects in mind with some filet crochet. And of course, I want to get to making my dragon, and I want to make some more flowers. I have a lot of things that I want to do, but it's only one thing at a time. There's only so much time in a day, and when real life gets in the way and you have to do things like work, so that you can eat and keep the power on, that kind of stinks. But anyways, let's take a look at our side by side. So, birth year is on the left, current year is on the right. It's, I think, pretty darn interesting. So, 3 months and a week. That's where we're at. Weeks 13 and 14. So, I can't believe I only have one color left. I might. Okay, so if I added another color, and a deep dark red is for my 95 to 100 range, what color, now you guys have seen my colors, what color would you add for if we topped 100 degrees here? Let me know, because I don't know. I'm thinking maybe a deep dark purple like eggplant, but I'm not sure if it would really go with this. But then the greens don't really go with it either. Neither does the couple rows of blue that we've been able to add to it. I don't know. Something that would make it hotter and more warm than red. Now, it's not a bright red. It's a deep, deep dark red. Right there, dark red. That's my last color that I have left. So I don't know. Should I just stay with it, or should I get another color? And I don't want black. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is my 2-week update. I hope you feel that it was worth the wait, like I think it was worth the wait. And we will see you in the next video, or next week, whichever comes first.